Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm bringing to you guys a unboxing of a few lens covers that I've got, and these are for my Lumix camera. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I fund everything myself. Even something small like this, I don't approach anyone to get funding for it, so I have paid for this out of my own funds. Alright, and if you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe. A super thanks would be really appreciated. Now let's get this underway. So this is the box here. Let's give it an open up. So this is a triple pack that I've gotten here, and it comes with 3 filters. So one is a UV filter, which I am planning to basically use just as a lens cover to stop dust getting in there and destroying my lens. And the other 2 is, one's a 4ND filter and another one is the polarized lens. So let's look at the lens. Okay, so that's just one lens. So this is basically a UV lens. The main reason that I've gotten this UV lens is to basically protect my camera from dust and any damage. Alright guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just wanted to show off this little UV lens protector and what it is for. Alright, thank you so much for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.